Woohoo! You ready for these? These are beautiful. We're doing a sew along, and we're going to do a blouse sew along. And so I'm putting up some silks and some coordinates. Now these are designer, and I'm not allowed to say who it is. I know you guys hate that, but anyway, it's 100% silk. Isn't that beautiful? The purple on purple. It's just so beautiful. The drape is incredible. It'll be an absolutely gorgeous blouse. This same thing is a dark purple. Oh, it's beautiful. 100% silk. Again, gorgeous blouse. This is a cotton silk. Now they both of those purples go with this purple in here. It's a cotton silk, so you've got a teal. This is like a Pontoroma weight. It has stretch in both directions. Not a lot of stretch, slight stretch. It's got your purple, your teal, your black, your tan. It's a gorgeous piece of fabric. And like I said, it's a knit, but it's like the weight of a Pontoroma. This one is two. Has stretch in both directions. Again, slight, not tons of stretch, but it's really a beautiful piece of fabric. Black background, navy, cream, a tan, lots of great colors. It's a stripe, and the stripe goes along the selvage. This one then is a Hugo Boss. I'm allowed to say this name. This is a Hugo Boss wine. If you look carefully, it's got a black twill weave. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. This is stretch. This is a viscose. It has stretch in both directions, and it's lovely. I mean, it would be a beautiful pair of pants, a jacket, just absolutely gorgeous. And then I put this with it, which is Hugo Boss silk. Isn't that stunning? Just so pretty. The colors are just magnificent. So you can do the blouse and then the pants or jacket, and same here. All right, the goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.